Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you link searches in TikTok comments. So firstly, launch the TikTok app. So once you have logged into your TikTok app, so here what you can do, you have to click on the comment section here. As if you're going to comment, so click on the comment section here, and here what you can do, if you're going to link a profile, so you can just type at, and then you can type the profile name, or you can type the profile name, or you can search from the list here. So in that way you can tag the you can link the person. And if you want to link something else other than a profile, so what you have to do, you can type in search. All right, type in search and then semicolon, and then whatever you want to type, you can type that. Type that and then enter. So that's it. So that's how pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.